fix the horn. These lights are out, and so are these. You have to take down the plastic shield completely of each wheel well and the wheels off to get to the bulbs. I'm going to do that. The bulb goes right here, and it stays on solid as your front blinkers start to flash when you turn it on the right hand side. Your passenger's one lights up all the time like it's supposed to, and then that's fixed. Like I say, all these bulbs are replaced. So the bulb in the car is for this one right here on the driver's side. It should light up solid when you turn the turn signal on. Now both these bulbs ain't burnout. So when you hit the button, orange ones come on and go off, and them should stay on. Fixed up, ready to go. See you next time. Thanks for watching. See you around.